Hello students, welcome to this video lecture on the subject Analog and Digital Electronics. This is the course for BTech Computer Science and Engineering, the subject code of which is ESC 301. My today's topic is on encoder and decoder. Myself Gaur Gopal Jana, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management. In encoder, today I will discuss octal to binary encoder and decimal to BCD encoder, and also the priority encoder. And in the decoder, 2 to 4 line and 3 to 8 line decoder will be discussed. After that, implementation of 4 to 16 line decoder using 3 to 8 line decoder will be discussed. And at last, implementation of full adder with the help of decoder will be covered. So students, let us go to the topic. We know that binary code of n digits can be used to store 2 to the power n distinct element. This is what encoders and decoders are used for. Encoders convert 2 to the power n lines of input into a code of n bits, and decoders decode the n bit into 2 to the power n lines. Okay. So encoder. An encoder is a device, circuit or software program or algorithm or person that converts information from one format or code to another. The purpose of encoder is standardization, speed, secrecy, security, or saving space by shrinking size. Okay. If a device output code has fewer bits than the input code, the device is usually called encoder. Now, if we define encoders, then we can say a encoder is a combinational circuit that converts binary information from the form of 2 to the power n input line into n output lines. Okay, which this output represent n bit code. Okay, generally for simple encoders, it is assumed only one input line is active at a time. Now, as an example, if we consider octal to binary encoder, here an octal to binary encoder takes 8 input lines and generates 3 output lines. This is the truth table of 8 to 3 encoder, or simply the octal to binary encoder. Here there are 8 input lines and 3 output lines. When 0 input is activated, output will be 0 0 0. Similarly, if 1 input line is activated, then output will be 0 0 1, and so on. When 7 input line is activated, output will be 1 1 1. Now, from the truth table, the output line C is active when the input octal digits 1, 3, 5 and or 7 is pressed. Okay, similarly, the output line B is 1 when the input octal digit 2, 3, 6 or 7 is pressed or 1, and also the A is 1 when the octal digit 4, 5, 6 or 7 is pressed. Okay, so from truth table, we can get the Boolean functions for a, b, c as a is equal to d4 or d5 or d6 or d7, and b is equal to d2 or d3 or d6 or d7, and c is equal to d1 or d3 or d5 or d7. Okay, so now if we implement this equation, then we can get there is 8 input lines d0 to d7, and 3-4 input OR gates are there, and according to the Boolean functions, the input lines are connected to this output. We will get A, B, C, 3 output lines. Okay, here is another example for designing a decimal to BCD encoder. Here the input lines are 10, that is 10 decimal digits 0 to 9, and output lines are 4 in number. Okay, so 4 output lines and 10 input lines, and from the previous table we can get 4 output Boolean expressions for A, B, C and D, and here also 4 OR gate is required, and as per the output expressions, these OR gates are connected to respective input lines. We will get 4 output A, B, C, D, that is BCD output. So decimal to BCD encoder logical diagram. Okay. Priority encoder. The problem with the simple encoder is that if 2 inputs are active simultaneously, the output produces an undefined combination. Therefore, we can establish an input priority to ensure that only one input is encoded. Means when more than one input are active at the same time, the input with highest priority takes advantage or precedence, and the output corresponding to that is generated. Okay, and another problem is with the simple encoder circuit is that an output with all zeros is generated when all the inputs are 0. The output is the same when D0 is equal to 1. When D0 is equal to 1 and also the all inputs are 0, same output is there, same outputs are there. Okay, this drawback can be resolved by providing one more output to indicate that at least one input is equal to 0, equal to 1. Okay, let us consider the 4 to 2 priority encoder. Here from the truth table we see that when all inputs are 0, the output V or the valid bit output is 0, and outputs X and Y are not used. The crosses in the table shows that don't care condition, that is it may be either 1 or 0. Here the D3 has the highest priority, therefore whatever be the other inputs, when D3 is high, the output will be 1 1, and this D0 has the lowest priority, therefore the output would be 0 0 only when D0 is 1. and the other input lines are low. Only this condition shows the output 0 0. Okay. Similarly, D2 has higher priority over D1 and D0, but lower priority than D3. Therefore, the output would be 1 0 only when D2 is high and D3 is low. Okay, D0 and D1 are don't care. So now we have to implement the or deduce the output expressions for X, Y and V. Now it can be clearly seen that the condition for valid bit is 1. At least any one of the inputs should be high as per the previous truth table. Therefore, V is equal to D0 or D1 or D2 or D3. So, this is the output expression for valid bit, and for X as per the K map, the output expression for X is equal to D2 or D3, and for Y it would be D3 or D1 D2 bar, D2 complement. So if we deduce these three output expressions, we can easily implement it with the help of logic gates, basic gates actually. So this is the 4 input priority encoder. Okay. Now the decoder. A decoder is a combinational circuit that converts binary information from n input lines to the maximum 2 to the power n unique output lines. Also we can say a decoder does the opposite job of an encoder. It is a combinational circuit which converts n line to 2 to the power n output, as I told. So let us see an example. This is an 4 to 2 line decoder. Here number of inputs are 2 and number of outputs is equal to 4. So actually binary to we can say decimal converter. Here for 2 bit the output may be 4, it is for 0 0 Q0 output will be active, and for 0 1 Q1 and 1 0 Q2 and 1 1. For 1 1 input the Q3 output will be active. Now from this truth table we can deduce the expressions for Q0, O0, 1, O2 and O3. For O0 it will be A complement B complement. Similarly for O1 it is equal to A complement B, and O2 A B complement, and the output expression O3 is equal to A B. Okay. So as per the output expression in the circuit, the 4 and 2 input AND gate is required, and as per expressions there is 2 input A B, and as per the expression the logical circuit is completed. So this is the 2 to 4 decoder logical diagram. It is another example. It is binary to octal decoder, binary to octal decoder circuit. Here 3 input lines and 8 output lines. Here as an example, suppose the input is 1 0 0, then only D4 line will be active, other lines will be 0. So for 8 output lines there will be 8 expressions, and as per 8 expression the logic circuit is this. So 3 input X, Y, Z and 8 outputs from D0 to D7 deduced from the previous truth table. Okay. Implementation of 4 to 16 line decoder with the help of 3 to 8 line decoder. Okay, with an enable input, that is in the decoder circuit, if a common line is connected to each AND gate of the output circuit, then this line may be considered as an enable line. So to each AND gate, if a input 0 is applied, then the output will be 0. So no AND gate will be active. Therefore, to make the circuit active, enable line should be high. So this is the function of enable line. Here 2, 3 to 8 line decoder is required to implement 4 to 16 line decoder. So for 2 decoders, input lines are connected and common input lines X, Y, Z is taken out, and for 4th input the enable lines of these two decoders are used. If W is equal to 0, the upper decoder will be active and lower decoder is disabled, and similarly if W is equal to 1, the upper decoder will be deactivated and lower decoder is active. Okay. Here W is the MS bit and X is the LS bit for 4 to 16 decoder. For 0 0 0 0 to 0 1 1 1, the upper decoder will be working, and for 1 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1, the lower decoder will active, and we will get 4 to 16 line decoder. Here is an example for implementation of full adder with the decoder. As we know, the expressions for sum and carry output of full adder circuit is equal to summation of M 1 2 4 7. This is the expression for sum, and for carry it is equal to summation of M of 3 5 6 7. Okay. So for full adder there is 3 input lines X, Y, Z and 2 output lines sum and carry, and we know that this is a 3 to 8 line decoder. As per the input combinations, one of the 8 output lines will be activated, which as per the this output expression there are 2 OR gates, and these output lines 1 2 4 7 is given to S OR gate, and 3 5 6 7 is given to C OR gate, and as per the input combinations these output lines are connected to these OR gates. For an example, when the input XYZ is 1 1 1, that means 7 lines will be high, and which is given to both the OR gate, and so the output of S and C is high, C will be high. This means the sum 1 and carry 1. 1 1 1 means if we add 3 bits 1 1 1, output will be 1 1. So this circuit will be working as a full adder. So this full adder circuit is implemented with a 3 to 8 line decoder with the help of 2 OR gate. Okay. These are the references used in this video lecture. Now, if you have any question regarding the topic discussed today, or if you have any difficulty to understand any portion of this video lecture, then you may contact through this email IDs. So, thank you. Have a nice day.